in my fight. All right. Before time was time, God had me on his mind. He shaped and formed me with words to give the world a sign. His word is law like a judge with a gavel, but tell me, what happens when my life is like a piece of thread being unraveled? See, when I wanted to throw in the towel because the fight got hard, people saw my black eye and said I let down my guard. I had to roll with the punches. I saw the trainer for the strategy. Spectators thought I was down for the count. What a tragedy. But see, when I was down and out, my name was in everybody's mouth. And the moment I began to get back up, people still wanted to knock me out. Mind games being played and I'm at war with my brain. But tell me, what do I look like being saved but insane? But see, I'll stay in my lane until God says I can change. And I dance in my circumstance, but you look at me strange. But no, I look at you strange. Because why wouldn't I praise him until my change comes? See, I'm walking this one out because it's by the words of my testimony that I overcome. I know you wanted me to live in the tomb and live in Lodabar. But no, the king has need of me even while living with these scars. So get a good look at me. Yeah, go ahead and laugh, but my God is a keeper even in the aftermath. Because you look at me and wonder, girl, who are you? But baby, I'm brand new, so I don't look like what I'm going through. You see, the devil should have taken me out while he had the opportunity, but he couldn't cross the bloodline because my God granted me immunity. So would you loose me and let me go? I've been planted, it's time to grow. Darkness wanted me, but watch me glow. I'm in surgery as God removes me from me. Just so you know, what I went through once before, now peace has become my status quo. My purpose is greater than my fight, and therefore though the fight may come, because I keep my eyes fixed on Christ, what I behold is what I become.